Okay, so this is the second part of the video of the SummerSlam's prediction of 2024, and today we are discussing, not today, this video,
Yeah.
we're discussing the three biggest matches in the SummerSlam card.
Yeah.
We'll start off with Liv Morgan versus Rhea Ripley. The best storyline going on in Monday Night Raw मेरे हिसाब से, second best, sorry.
कैरी कर रहा है पूरा
Yeah.
पूरा मंडे नाइट रॉ कैरी कर रहा है अपने शोल्डर्स
Yeah.
पे सो बेसिकली दिस मैच इज ऑल अबाउट कि मतलब तूने डोमिनिक को कैसे लिया मेरे से उसका
Right.
बदला लूंगी मैं तेरे से वही है
Okay, see, the only gripe I had with this feud was that this storyline very much became about Dominic Mysterio and not the World Heavyweight Championship. And it was so weird for me to just see them fighting over Dominic Mysterio. तू frame में नहीं आ रहा है इधर, तू frame में नहीं आ रहा है.
okay
And I'm like, okay. But the story itself, I think it's a bit refreshing. मेरे हिसाब से ये kind of storylines WWE में बहुत rarely होते हैं और जब भी होता है, it gets the Vince McMahon treatment, which is pure garbage. So I'm very excited, and I actually have a prediction where I want Rhea Ripley to win first of all. But I actually think story-wise,
She's not winning.
it should be Liv Morgan.
So according to me अभी जैसा कि we saw in the latest episode of Monday Night Raw, Liv Morgan पूरी की पूरी पागल हो चुकी है.
हाँ.
She is burning down all the memories she has had with
Dominic Mysterio.
So I think मेरा एक prediction ऐसा है कि रिया रिप्ली नहीं जीतने वाली मेरे हिसाब से. लिव मॉर्गन जीतेगी but there is a catch here. Finn Balor would help Liv Morgan to win this match.
Yes.
Finn Balor would turn on Rhea Ripley and Dominic Mysterio. And
Yes.
वहाँ से we'll get to see the split of Judgment Day. धीरे धीरे हम अपने को split देखने मिलेगा जहाँ पर फिन बैलर को भी एक नेसेसरी सिंगल्स रन की जरूरत है.
Yes, and okay, first of all, this storyline with Finn Balor is actually very nice for
Yeah.
me. I have been a Finn Balor fan since NXT Black and Gold days. You will be very annoyed throughout this channel of me hearing that I was an NXT Black and Gold fan. I can never go back to it again. वो मेरा attitude era था.
ओके सो मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है अगर जजमेंट डे का स्प्लिट हो भी जाता है, डेमन अपने सिंगल्स रन पे रहेगा, फिन बैलर अपने सिंगल्स रन पे रहेगा, एंड आई थिंक फिन बैलर विल रूल द मिड कार्ड कंपनी.
Oh, okay.
अभी फिलहाल तो ही शुड नॉट जंप इन द मेन इवेंट सीन, बट मेरे को ऐसा लग रहा है कि ही माइट बी सुटेबल फॉर द मिड कार्ड चैंपियनशिप.
Yes. And in terms of Liv versus Rhea Ripley, I feel Rhea Ripley coming here and winning the championship in SummerSlam is not the right move because her winning the championship is the end of the story. And I feel Judgment Day का story अभी तक खत्म हुआ नहीं है. I feel that Liv Morgan does not have any leverage of walking out of the arena not being a champion, because then she will again go back to doing regular basic stuff, and then Rhea Ripley will not have another contender since Becky Lynch has no plans of returning anytime soon, and there is no actual contender in the Raw division other than Zelina Vega, I might say, but they are not going to run through Zelina Vega right now. So I feel it is better for the entire women's division to have Liv Morgan as the champion and then keep building other stars along with Rhea, because currently if you see the women's division only revolves around two people, Liv and Rhea. And Zelina Vega had some cameo appearances. By the way, she has been immaculate on the mic, but other than that, the tag division is not really that great. In the Raw review, we actually had
It's not worth talking about.
Yeah, but honestly, I feel Liv Morgan being the champion serves more to the story, and she has been pretty great in the last few months. It's absolutely entertaining to watch, and we are not saying that because we're straight. It's because we are actual fans of wrestling. Okay.
So with this, we are moving to the most anticipated match on the card, which is between Drew McIntyre and CM Punk, with a very big stipulation in it: Seth frickin' Rollins as the special guest referee.
Yes. Honestly speaking, okay, I did not like the idea initially of Seth Rollins being involved in this match because Drew versus Punk in itself, even without a match, through the promos alone, through just simply hating each other on the internet, on the shows of the internet, every single marketing they've done of this feud has just been 10 on 10 for me.
You know, for me, Seth Rollins in this feud is just like a third wheel in a relationship.
No, I don't think that. I genuinely do not think Seth Rollins is a third wheel. He is an important factor, but
he is.
Yeah,
he is because he मतलब उसका अलग से अपना ड्रू मैकिंटायर के साथ भी एक फ्यूड चल रहा है. बिकॉज
Seth के साथ।
उसने उसने मतलब उसके मैच में आके इंटरफेयर कर दिया था
Right.
अपने मनी इन द बैंक के साथ. प्लस सीएम पंक के साथ भी उसके स्टार्टिंग के डेज से चालू है जब सीएम पंक वाज रूमर्ड टू रिटर्न टू WWE.
Yes.
तो आई थिंक उसका वन ऑन वन दोनों के साथ भी कहीं ना कहीं चल रहा है फ्यूड. सो ही इज नॉट गोना बी ऑन एनी वन ऑफ द पर्सन साइड. सो आई थिंक वो अपने ही साइड पे रहेगा एंड ही विल डू थिंग्स according to his will.
Yeah, that is true. I feel Seth Rollins being in this match is worthwhile because हमने Monday Night Raw के review में भी कहा था कि Seth Rollins was absolutely entertaining to watch. But this feud brings up a very important question of who really should win this because both of them have equal leverage in terms of why Drew should win and why Punk should win. And to be honest, I cannot pick sides. This is one of those very rare cases जहाँ पर you don't even know who's the villain, who's the hero. That currently CM Punk has a lot of support in terms of
Yeah.
crowd and the live shows.
Obviously, man, he
He's the
deserves
American.
he deserves that support because this
Yeah.
guy has returned to WWE after 10 long years.
Yeah, so you're not gonna hate Punk
Yeah.
immediately. And
But-
Drew being the foreign heel.
But I'll go with my prediction straight away. मेरे हिसाब से I think I wish and I root for Drew McIntyre to win this match
Yeah.
because I feel pity for him because इतने सारे matches में Drew or CM Punk has screwed up with him.
Yeah.
So I think Drew McIntyre should end this story because recently CM Punk in an interview just said that this one match will be the only and the final match between both of them.
That is okay. Okay, no, please. This shouldn't be truth. Okay, I cannot live with myself knowing.
Are
this
you
is-
okay with
I am not okay with
these two guys wrestling for 4 or 5 times?
4, 5. I think a trilogy is great. I
Yeah.
think it's a good amount. But mera prediction is CM Punk.
Oh,
No,
we are
because-
not on the same page.
Yeah, we are not on the same page. Purely because CM Punk is not going to lose his returning match. He already has lost the Royal Rumble. He is not going to lose the returning match in SummerSlam. Even though it makes sense for Drew to win. I don't
Yeah.
disagree with you there.
मतलब कहीं ना कहीं ऐसा है कि दिल बोल रहा है कि CM Punk को जीतना चाहिए, दिमाग बोल रहा है but नहीं, Drew McIntyre जीतेगा.
Yeah.
So with this,
I actually have more to say about Drew versus Punk.
okay,
CM Punk, whoever actually wins in here, whether
Yeah.
it be Drew, whether it be Punk, it will set up a future storylines with Seth Rollins being a very integral part of it. So I don't feel this will be the end of Drew versus Punk. I feel this will more turn into a triple threat feud.
oh,
So
Hot take.
I want CM Punk to win because that leaves Drew McIntyre's motivation still running.
Yeah.
And it also adds to the triple threat way more. And also it is a perfect SummerSlam moment for Punk to win. This is just a marquee claim that I'm making, but yeah, I want that to win. And
okay. With that, we move on to the final match of SummerSlam 2024, which is Solo Sikoa, the wannabe tribal chief, versus Cody Rhodes, the American Nightmare, for the WWE Undisputed Championship.
see, I didn't want this match to happen. I'll be very honest. Not because I hate Solo Sikoa. It's not because I think he's a bad performer, and I genuinely don't think it is. It is
Yeah.
just hard to follow Roman's footsteps. Okay?
God.
And I have been a day one Roman hater, by the way. He's a Roman Reigns fan.
I'm a ginormous Roman Reigns fan.
I'm a
since,
Seth Rollins-
since the big dog gimmick.
Yeah, I've hated Roman Reigns with all my
Oh,
heart,
God.
and I was a Seth Rollins guy. I was a CM Punk guy. I was one of those underdog wala admi. My favorite wrestler is still The Miz, but one of my favorite wrestlers. Okay.
Okay.
Don't give that reaction.
Okay,
now.
okay.
But it's like Roman Reigns has done an immaculate job as the tribal chief,
Yeah,
and I don't think anybody can take that away from him. As an Indian audience perspective, मैं तुम्हें बता दूँ, everyone loves Roman Reigns here. I don't think I've met a single Indian fan who is not in love with Roman Reigns.
He's just like in the eyes of us Indians, he's just like the unsung hero.
Yeah, for some reason he looks very much like a star. He
Yeah.
is a star at
He
this
is,
point.
bhai.
I was very much of the underdog guy. I was very much of the guy who loved promos, who loved storylines more. And Roman was not the best at promos, but he was an immaculate performer.
But let me ask you a quick question. Do you like to hear Solo Sikoa saying "acknowledge me"
No,
in front of the whole crowd?
No, it feels okay.
Do you like भी छोड़ दो. Do you accept him कि वो बोल रहा है "acknowledge me as the tribal chief"?
नहीं. Okay, this is. I don't want to disrespect Solo Sikoa here because I don't feel that we are at any position to disrespect anyone.
Yeah.
Okay? But Solo Sikoa does not feel like the
वो
tribal
feel
chief.
आता नहीं है
Does
यार.
not feel like the tribal chief at all.
You know what, जब टीवी पे ऐसा दिखता है, मतलब कहीं पे भी रोमन रेंस का वो दिखता है acknowledge me वाला,
Yeah.
मैं आँख बंद करके मैं वही I throw up my one at the
Yeah.
sky because वो अंदर से आता है
Yes.
कि करना चाहिए. बट नहीं, सोलो सिकोआ के सामने आई डोंट थिंक सो. आई हैव नेवर एंजॉयड आफ्टर रेसलमेनिया 40. मैंने उसका वो पूरा, मैं ठीक है ब्लड लाइन का स्टोरी जो चल रहा है, दे आर गोइंग ऑन अ डिफरेंट लेवल, बट बिकॉज ऑफ जेकब फाटू.
Yes.
जेकब फाटू जब तक नहीं आया था तब तक वो ब्लड लाइन नहीं लग रहा था.
Yes. And okay, the biggest thing. Okay, I will say the Paul Heyman spot on the table where he got triple power bombed
Oh,
shield
man.
way. It was shocking, but also the stupidest decision you can make because Bloodline needs Paul Heyman. Okay,
Yeah.
there is nobody better suited to run and enhance Paul Heyman's. Sorry, not Paul Heyman's. The Bloodline.
Yeah.
Than Paul Heyman.
Roman Reigns is gonna return at SummerSlam. He's just gonna show up with both of the Usos. Paul Heyman का पता नहीं. And what do you think?
Okay, so me and Rochelle have a bet. I don't. Okay. I think
You still don't feel?
I at this point I kind of do, but I will. I am a man of my word. I don't stand back with my bets that I've made.
Yeah.
I don't feel SummerSlam में Roman Reigns will be
But
returning.
हमने तो prediction बोला ही नहीं. Who's gonna win this?
We'll say
Is
that
it
in
Solo?
the- No, it's Cody. Oh no, it's Cody. Okay, they are not gonna put the championship on Solo Sikoa because that will be such a Vince McMahon move.
It actually will be a disrespect to Cody Rhodes.
Yes.
Because he was about to finish the story. He
About
had
to finish कर दिया भाई.
ये मतलब भाई WrestleMania के पहले इतना हाइप करके कि स्टोरी फिनिश करना है, अनडिजायरेबल, अनडिनायबल, अनडिस्प्यूटेड, ये सब बोल के एंड अभी 3 महीने में हरवा दिया तो
मुलुंड के छपरी से हारने से तो अच्छा ही है भाई. कसम से यार, like I don't think Cody should lose to Solo, bro. Like Cody's gonna win this. Nobody is denying
Cody,
that. The
obviously.
topic of discussion is Roman returning or not because nobody gives a shit about this match. Okay?
because this match would not have a clean finish.
Yeah.
Obviously, let's accept this.
Yes.
कोई ना कोई तो आने वाला है
Yes.
and for मतलब तेको अगर पता नहीं रहेगा तो I'll just tell you कि rumors ये भी है कि The Rock might return
The
in
Rock
this
should-
match.
The Rock
अगर रोमन नहीं आ रहा है तो Rock,
yes, I don't feel it's okay.
the final boss,
Honestly,
will
yes.
step up and he'll take the side with Solo and will not go against him.
Okay, I don't think
This
Dwayne
will cook the
Johnson-
match between Roman and The Rock.
I don't think there's okay. If that happens, it's a shocking thing.
The bad bloodline का final मतलब tribal chief
But
will
that
be
would
The
lead-
Rock, and
that-
the good bloodline का tribal chief would be Roman.
But that would be like after the match because
Yeah.
I genuinely don't feel Solo's winning this.
But you know, Rock has finished his movie, his cinema commitments, and ऐसा बोल तो रहे हैं कि SummerSlam में he is free.
Oh.
He is free. उसका मूवी का कमिटमेंट सब कुछ खत्म हो चुका है.
That's nice. So I still wouldn't want. Okay, there's a return confirm. Okay, some return.
कोई
is
तो
going to
आने
happen.
वाला है, कोई तो.
It could be Jimmy. It could be okay. First of
Why
all,
not Jimmy tomorrow at the SmackDown?
I don't think. See, the thing is, I think it's safer to go with Jimmy's return on SummerSlam. But okay, it's safer to go on Jimmy's return on SummerSlam. It is a very underwhelming thing you're hearing from me. I know I'm terrible at booking this, but it is too early to bring Roman Reigns. मेरे हिसाब से.
भाई अब नहीं तो कब? Because SummerSlam is the most hyped show after
That's the only
WrestleMania.
issue. Yeah, that's the only issue.
Because क्योंकि Bad Blood में
Yeah.
the premium live event
Honestly, yeah.
which is telecast in after too many years.
Okay.
या फिर Bash in Berlin.
Honestly, audience, I'll be very open and.
We'll leave this up to you,
No,
guys.
we'll not leave this up. I wanted to say that actually Rushil is right in every single thing he's saying. That is probably the thing that's gonna happen. The bet between us is that if Roman returns, I have to drink a concoction that he makes, and probably ये channel पे होगा, which I don't want that to happen. So I'm trying every single thing in my.
Let us
will
do
and
this
my
thing on the
prayers.
channel.
This is the thing. So the bet is that if Roman returns, I have to drink a concoction that he makes, and he makes a very disgusting mixture of drinks, and it doesn't always. Okay, he makes drinks, and it's never restrictive to only liquids. So guys, this is a very scary thing for me. But yeah, my prediction is Cody Rhodes.
Cody Rhodes and Roman coming in between the match.
Yeah, I hope
Let's
that doesn't
go.
happen.